Welcome to another video of Smart Home. This video is the second of using PLEG in Vera to create scenes. In the first video, which its link is in description, I created a very simple scene. Now it's time to move on and make the scene a little advanced. In this video, what I want to create is that if movement is detected while the light intensity is lower than 10 lux, a light turns on. Stay with me. By the way, if you are not a subscriber yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you. Okay, let's go to PLEG. In Vera, I go to Devices. I go to the setting of PLEG, click Edit. In this example, we need two triggers. One is related to motion sensor detecting movement. The other is related to light sensor detecting the level of light. In logic inputs, I click on device triggers. I click new trigger. Trigger name, I enter movement. Trigger device, I select motion sensor. The event type, I select whenever device detects motion, whether it's arm or disarm. By clicking on save, the trigger is added. Let's add the second trigger. I click on new trigger. I set a name for it, light intensity. Comment, I add lux less than 10. Trigger device is the light sensor. The event type, brightness goes below. As I said, I want to turn on a light if movement is detected and light intensity is lower than 10 lux. So brightness goes below. After selecting that level is appeared, I here enter 10. Then click save. So two triggers are created. Movement, whenever motion sensor detects motion, whether is arm or disarm. And the second is light intensity. Light sensor brightness goes below 10. Let's go to condition. Now we have to combine these two triggers to create our condition. I click on new condition. Condition name, I write turn on light. I go to syntax assistance. From the drop-down list, please select. I select our first trigger, movement. Then here I click insert after selected. In our example, we need an AND logic. Both movement and light intensity must be true in order to turn on the light. I added movement. Again, I click on the list. I select our logic operator, which is AND. AND means both of the triggers must be true. After selecting AND, I click on insert after selected. You can see that AND is added after movement. Again, from the list, I select light intensity, then click on insert after selected. Okay, I click on save. Our condition is defined. Turn on light. Logic expression is movement and light intensity. Let's define what happens. I go to logic actions. I click on select new action. From the list, I select turn on light. The action must happen immediate, so I select immediate. Then from device action table, I select the light that want to turn on. Entrance, ceiling entrance. I disable advanced mode and set the device to on. By clicking on save, our scene is created. Before ending the video, let's click on edit in front of turn on light. I remove this device. I start again defining what happens. From the list, I select ceiling entrance. And this time, I enable advanced mode. In front of action, from the drop down list, I select set target. New target value, I choose 1. This is the same as turning on light using Vera UI. If I disable advanced mode, you can see that ceiling entrance is added and it's on. Okay, I click on save. I go to editor option, click reload Lua. Our scene is created. While light intensity is lower than 10 lux, if movement is detected, ceiling entrance turns on. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, do not hesitate to leave comments. Bye bye.